Data is the essential drivers and the most effective materials to derive facts and valuable information that can be used for decision making. Once information has been derived, data will become the starting point and source of innovation. Technology is the medium we can use for us to be able to derive information more faster and could be able to help machine learn from the data. With the influx of big data and the advancement in technology, we can be able to generate insights. Analytics will be a big help for us to be able to make sense of the data by having systematic and scientific approach. This will make the process more dynamic and real-time. At this point in time, we are all aware that one of the most in-demand and high-paying job was brought about by the influx of big data. Companies here and abroad were also aware of the benefits of digital transformation. However, there seems to have a gap to fully embrace the transformation for many reasons, which includes high cost of building systems and infrastructures, and the people who can use the current and emerging technology. Analytical foundation is also an important factor to look into. There are many online educational platforms available in the market, however concrete plans and sequence of activities should need to establish. Topical or thematic approach will just confuse the learners on where or what to start with. It's like before you buy medicine, one has to understand the illness first. Similarly, you can't just apply machine learning without understanding the different characteristics and the behavior of the data. This is the reason why Statisticsdoctor was born. Statisticsdoctor was born to cover the demands in statistics, analytics, and technology. Statisticsdoctor Consultancy offers courses that encapsulate the skills and competencies needed for a data scientist. We have courses available that discusses the foundation of analytics and the end-to-end process of processing data.